I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 21.5 quart canning pot with all these really cool accessories. This has a really neat feature on the top of it because it has a little timer. So if you are cooking something and you get it up to a certain temperature, you can actually say, all right, I need to cook my tomato juice for 20 minutes. It needs to be boiling. You can just set this to a timer all the way up to 60 minutes, and then it goes off. So that is a really neat little feature. Now this is all stainless steel with an aluminum core in it. It's a nice size pot. It's actually 13.7 by 13. And then on the inside, you do have this nice little thing you can put at the bottom. So that way your jars aren't on the very bottom of the pot. And this is just a little 12-inch thing that sits down in here. And I will bring you in here so you can take a look at this. But that is really nice. It just sits right here at this layer. And then you can easily put things like your canned foods inside of your canning jar with the water underneath of there. Put your nice see-through lid on there so you can see what's actually going on inside, know when your water is boiling, all of the goodies. Speaking of goodies, you get a lot of them. You get a nice little funnel. So after you are finished, you can easily funnel that into the jars with a nice little ladle. You have a nice tongs to be able to pick up food like doing pickles or whatever. You've got a nice little tongs. You have labels to be able to label your jars. You've got your jar lifter right here that you can pick that up. This will help you open up a jar lid if you need help opening up the jar lid. You've got your little magnetic lid topper, and you have a spatula. You also have a nice little rag to be able to clean it up or to use as just something to put your pot on. And then you have some nice heat resistant gloves that you can wear just so as you're picking things up, you don't actually get your hands too hot. So I'm gonna bring you in here and we will take a close look at this. So here's the pot up close with this nice timer all the way across the top. It just easily dials. And then on the inside, you have your actual lid. And you see my cans are down in there, but you can easily take those out. Here we go, we'll use the little jar lifter. So you can easily take those out. That then lifts up your jars, so you're not touching that whenever it is super hot. And then pull that out. And it is a very nice deep pan. Like I said, it's a 21.5 quart pan. It's a 12-piece canning set that has you covered for everything you need to do a canning job.